Today's experiment is from my school book. School's on grade 2. So, I'm going to do an experiment. And this is what you do. So, you're going to have unpopped kernels from popcorn. Then you're going to need a cup full of water, put in a pan, and then I'm just going to wait for 5 to 6 minutes. Hours. Okay, now let's get started. Let's pour the water. Perfect. Now I'm going to wait for 5 to 6 hours.
What's your hypothesis?
It's going to go away. The water's going to go away.
Is that it?
Yeah. I think it will happen. Welcome back. So, we left it here like 5 or 6 hours. And now I'm going to check it. Ta-da! So the water, I think, made it get bigger. And then look, they got bigger, so they ran out of room and they got on the bottom. They like explode like a volcano. Thank you all for watching. Bye.